When is my answer due? Hi, this is Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton. One of the most common questions I get is, when is my answer due? When do I have to answer this lawsuit? Now, this is for Texas law. Texas law says in JP court, after you're served with a lawsuit, the deadlines start to run. That's true actually for all cases in Texas. When you're served with the citation, the deadline starts to run. Now in JP court, that deadline is 2 weeks. You have to have an answer on file. The deadline for your answer is 2 weeks. County court and district court are calculated a little bit differently. The language is something like 20 days following the date of service. It's a Monday next, following 20 days from the date of service. Here's the easy way of doing this. Here's how I calculate it. Let's say you're served on a Wednesday. Okay, you count 3 weeks, 21 days. Okay, so you go to Wednesday in 3 weeks, and then you go forward to the following Monday. Your answer is due at 10 a.m. that Monday. Okay. What happens if you don't file an answer on time? Nothing. Now, if you wait too long, the other side will file a motion for default judgment. This typically doesn't happen at 10:01 a.m. The day the day of the deadline. Typically, most defendants wait days, weeks. Some of them wait a couple of months before they file a motion for default judgment. So, it's important to get your answer filed on time, in the 2 weeks or the 3 to 4 weeks, depending on where you were sued. If you don't get your answer filed on time, it is likely not fatal. You can still file an answer after the court's deadline has run. You can file an answer up until the point where the court enters a default judgment, where they sign the default judgment. The other side can file a motion for default judgment, and you can still file an answer. Don't give up. Get an answer on file. Don't let somebody take a default judgment against you. It's much harder to undo a default judgment than it is to get an answer on file in the first place. I hope this answers your questions about when your answer is due. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below or feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.